Every person has two voices inside, one whispering fear, the other whispering hope. Which one you choose to listen to will decide the life you live. Let me tell you a story you'll never forget. In a bustling city, a young man named Michael lived. On the outside, he looked ordinary. He went to work every morning, paid his bills, and tried to smile when people asked how he was doing. But inside, he carried a storm. When his boss criticized him, he told himself, "I'm a failure." When a bill arrived, he thought, "I'll never make it." When friends didn't call, he whispered, "Nobody cares about me." These thoughts became chains around his heart. Every day felt heavier than the last. One late evening, Michael boarded a half-empty train home. He slumped into a seat, exhausted, his head full of negative thoughts. Across from him sat an elderly woman with kind eyes. She noticed his weary face and asked softly, "You look like a man carrying the whole world on his shoulders." "What are you thinking about?" Michael laughed bitterly. "I'm thinking about how nothing ever works out. No matter what I do, life just pushes me down." The woman smiled gently and said, "Then you, my friend, are watering the wrong seeds." Michael frowned. "What do you mean?" She pointed to the window where the city lights flickered by. "Imagine your mind is a garden. Every thought is a seed. Negative thoughts grow weeds that choke the flowers. Positive thoughts grow fruit and shade. The garden doesn't choose, you do. Whatever seeds you water, that's what grows." Michael sat quietly, her words echoing in his heart. That night, Michael went home and tried something unusual. Before bed, instead of saying, "Tomorrow will be another hard day," he whispered, "Tomorrow I will find one good thing." The next morning, he noticed something he had never cared about before: the warmth of the sun on his face while walking to work. It was small, but it brought a smile to his face. Each day he found one more thing: a stranger's kindness, a coworker's joke, the taste of his coffee. Slowly, his weeds were being replaced by flowers. Months later, Michael's life was not perfect. He still had bills, his job was still demanding, and challenges came like they always do. But something inside him was different. When problems appeared, instead of whispering, "I can't handle this," he told himself, "I will find a way." When people doubted him, he said, "Their doubt doesn't define me." His energy changed. His face looked brighter. Opportunities he once ignored began to appear. A new project at work, new friendships, new hope. One evening, as he boarded the same train, he thought about the woman who had once spoken to him. She was gone, but her words lived inside him forever. "Whatever seeds you water, that is what will grow. So remember, your thoughts are seeds. Water the seeds of hope, gratitude, and courage, and watch your life bloom. Water the seeds of fear and negativity, and watch your life wither." If this story inspired you, please like and share it with someone who needs encouragement. Don't forget to subscribe for more meaningful English stories. Stay positive, stay strong. Until the next story, take care.